We would also like to extend this review to tackle about the other rules of differentiation. The basic rules of differentiation of functions in calculus are presented along with several examples. First, derivative of a constant function. The derivative of f of x is equals to c, where c is a constant, is given by f prime x is equals to 0. For example, f of x is equals to negative 10. And for the answer, f of x is equals to 0. Next is the derivative of a power function or power rule. The derivative of f of x is equals to x multiplied to r, where r is a constant real number, is given by f prime x is equals to rx raised to r minus 1. For example, f of x is equals to x raised to negative 2, and applying the power rule, we will get negative 2x raised to negative 3. Simplifying it, we will get the final answer f of x is equals to negative 2 over x cubed. Number 3. Derivative of a function multiplied by a constant. The derivative of f of x is equals to constant multiplied to g of x is given by f prime x is equals to constant multiplied to g prime x. For example, f of x is equals to 3x cubed. Applying the third rule, we will get 3 multiplied to 3x squared. For the final answer, we will simplify it and we will get 9x cubed. The fourth one is the derivative of the sum of functions or sum rule. The derivative of f of x is equals to g of x plus h of x is given by f prime x is equals to g prime x plus h prime x. For example, f of x is equals to x squared plus 4. Applying the sum rule, we will get 2x plus 0, and simplifying it, we will get the final answer f of x is equals to 2x. Number 5. Derivative of the difference of functions. The derivative of f of x is equals to g of x minus h of x is given by f prime x is equals to g prime x minus h prime x. For example, f of x is equals to x cubed minus x raised to negative 2. Applying the fifth rule, we will get 3x squared minus quantity negative 2x raised to negative 3. Simplifying it, we will have 3x squared plus 2x raised to negative 3. Number 6 is the product rule. The derivative of f of x is equals to g of x multiplied to h of x is given by f prime x is equals to g of x multiplied to h prime x plus h of x multiplied to g prime x. Example, f of x is equals to x squared minus 2x multiplied to x minus 2. Applying the product rule, we will get x squared minus 2x plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 4. And simplifying it, we will have 3x squared minus 8x plus 4. Number 7 is the quotient rule. The derivative of f of x is equals to g of x over h of x is given by f prime x is equals to h of x multiplied to g prime x minus g of x multiplied to h of x all over h of x squared. For example, f of x is equals to x minus 2 over x plus 1. Applying the quotient rule, we will get x plus 1 multiplied to 1 minus x minus 2 multiplied to 1 all over x plus 1 squared. Simplifying it, we will have 3 over x plus 1 squared. Moreover, the derivatives of trigonometric functions would be also flash. The following are the derivatives of trigonometric functions.
Created using pt2.